Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we are going to discuss section D of Maths Class 10 CBSE answer key solutions of 30/6/1 set. Okay, in the previous videos I have covered section A, that is all the 18 MCQs and 2 assessment design questions, and also covered. Okay, so in the section A there is small correction. For this question the answer is not 22.5, it is 45, as in the question they have asked 2x not x, because we got the x value as 22.5 here, which is 50/2. X is 22.5, whereas 2x value they have asked in the question, which is 45. Okay, I have corrected the same and mentioned the pin comment as well. You can check it later. So I will keep section ABC videos links in the description. If you want, you can also check those videos. Okay, and then I have covered section B questions, which are 2 marks questions, that is very short answers. There are few optional questions as well, so that also I have covered in my video. And then I have started with section C questions, which are 3 marks questions, which have 6 questions in it. And here also there are few optional questions, so A and A or B, so those also I have covered. And now we are starting with section D questions. So section D, you can see here we have 4 long answer questions and each question carries 5 marks. Okay, so we are going to cover all 4 questions now. Let's see the A part. You can see here for 32nd question we have 2. Either you can solve A or B. So we'll see first what is A or B and we'll decide which will take less time. Find the smallest part of U. For the quadratic equation is real roots, and then find the real roots so obtained. Okay, this is much easier. What about this one? Okay, this is question is tricky, but it is also somewhat similar. Okay, but if I am in your place, I will definitely choose B part, because this I can feel much confident I can solve it fast. Okay, let's see for both how much time it is taking for A part as well as B part. Okay, so there is a circular path of diameter 65 meters as shown in the following figure, where AB is the diameter. Okay, an entry gate is constructed at point P at the boundary of a park, such as the distance of P from E. Okay, this distance is 35 more than the distance from P to B. Okay, if I say this is x, then this becomes 35 plus x. Find the distance of point A from, okay, they are asking PA and PB. So this is related to 2 chapters, circles as well as quadratic equations. So why circles? Because there is a concept in circles such that if one side of a triangle is the diameter, excuse me, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Why? Because the inscribed angle, that the center is 180, then the other angle will be 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle now. So simply using Pythagoras theorem we can get one relation, and let's solve it. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? It is saying that sum of squares of other two sides is equal to sum of squares of two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So here the hypotenuse is the longest side, which is diameter, which is 65. So I will write directly 65 square is equal to x plus 35 whole square plus x square. Why I wrote x plus 35? Because in the question that will mention PA is 35 more than PB. So I will write one more step here. Let PB is equal to x, then PA will become 35 plus x. You can also mention bracket given. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. So what the Pythagoras theorem states, the diameter square, which is 65 square is equal to x plus 35 whole square plus x. Okay, so 65 square is 6 5 are 25 5 are 25, 2 5 6 are 30, 32, 6 5 are 33, 6 6 are 18, 21. So it is 5 2 4 2 2 4 2 5, and here it comes x square plus 2 into 35, which is 70x plus 35 square. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 3 is a 15, 15 17, 3 5 is a 15, 1 3 3 is a 9, 10. So it is 2225 plus x square. So if 2225, if I move to the left side, I will get 2425 minus 2225 is equal to, it is not 2225, it's 1225. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 70x. So this will become 1200 is equal to 2x square plus 70x. If I divide by 2, I'll get 600 is equal to x square plus 35x. Now I have x square plus 35x minus 600 is equal to 0. Why I took minus 600? Because if I move 600 to the other side, I will get minus 600. So let's solve using quadratic equation, or else using factors we can do, but let's try with fact. Okay, it will take much time. Let's use the quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus or minus base square, which we already did, which is 1225, minus 4 into 64. 4 into 6 is 24. Base comes 4 is c by 2. So it becomes minus 35 plus or minus root of 3625. Correct, by 2. So we know 60 square is 3600. Okay, so let's check for 65. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 6 is 30, 32, 6 5 is 33, 6 6 is 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Okay, we got 4225. Let's see, somewhere did we mistake. Diameter is 65, PA is 35 more than that of P. Okay, so till here it is fine. 65 square okay, I think here we made a mistake. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 6 is 30, 32, 6 5 is 33, 6 6 is 36, 39 here. So this is wrong. This you will get 4225. Sorry for the mistake. Let's correct it. 4225. So this way we need to do, we should be proper with respect to calculation. Okay, even a small mistake will change a lot of things. So now this becomes 3000. 3000 by 2 is 1500. So now 4 into 15 is 600. 6000, sorry, 6000, and it becomes 7225. Okay, let's find the square root. 7225. 80 square is 6400. So let's check for 85 now. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 is 40, 42, 8 5 is 40, 4, 8 8 is 64, 68. Yes, we got the exact answer, which is 725. So now I can see x is equal to minus 35 plus or minus 85 by 2. We cannot take negative value, so directly I'm considering the positive value, which is minus 35 plus 85 by 2, which is 85, 50 by 2, which is x is equal to 25. X value I got 25, so x is nothing but PB. PB is equal to 25, whereas PA will be 25 plus 35, which is 60. So make sure to box this. So we got the sides as This is 25, this is 60, whereas the diameter is 65. Okay, we can also cross check, because 60 square is 3600, 25 square is 625. If you add these two, I'll get 4225, which is the square root of 65. Let's move to see the B part, how much time it will take. Find the smallest value of P for which the quadratic equation has the real roots. For real roots, what is the condition? B square minus 4AC should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So what is B here? 2 into P plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into P square is greater than or equal to 0. So this, if I square, I will get 4P square plus 2AB is 2P, 2P into 2, 2P into 4, 2P into 4 is 8P plus 4 minus 4P square greater than or equal to 0. 4P square cancel, 4 table if I divide, this becomes 2P plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So P should be greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So the minimum value is minus 1 by 2. We got the P value. What they are asking, hence find the roots of the equation. Now just substitute the P value here and gets the root of equation. So this becomes x square minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into x plus P square, which is 1 by 4. So this will get x square minus 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So it is x by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So this becomes x square minus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So if I take 4 multiple, I will get 4 square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I can also write it as 4 square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If I take 2x as common, I will get 2x minus 1 common, 2x minus 1. So the roots are same, it is 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So both the values are same, which is x is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is the roots. Okay, so this I think hardly took 1 to 2 minutes, whereas the previous A part took around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so it depends upon your confidence as well, but still as per the question length I can say that B part will take less time when compared to A part. So make sure while you're solving this type of question in exam, just think which will take less time and go for the same. Okay, let's see the next one. Here also we have two options, either A and B. So A part, what they are asking, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in the distinct points divides the two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. So what is the statement? It is the converse of BPT. But what they are asking in between, state and prove the converse of above. So it is converse of BPT, which is nothing but BPT. So simply in this question they are asking, state and prove BPT theorem. Okay, so I will definitely choose A part, whatever the B part is there. But let's see what is there in the B part, because A part, I think in exam or in schools or even in pre-final exams also, I'm sure that question might be repeated again and again and again. So what about here? CAB is right angle triangle. Let's see, AD perpendicular to BC, ADB we have to similar to CDA, ADB CDA, further BC. Okay, this is also a bit easy, but still here there is some calculations, so there are chances the calculation might go wrong, but the proof will not go wrong. So here also, even though B part is somewhat similar, but still I'll go with A part. Okay, let's solve the A part first. So they are asking to prove, state and prove the converse of Abel's theorem. So what is, first we have to write the statement, which is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, then it divides the other two sides in same ratio. So this line itself will carry 1.5 to 2 marks. Okay, this is important because they clearly mention state and prove. They are not asking only to prove. State, this is the statement. Now we have to prove it. Okay, this statement carries 1.5 to 2 marks. So let's prove it. So for proof, what you have to do is take a triangle ABC and DE is the line parallel to BC. So we'll write here, take a triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. So now second step, draw D, F and G such that these are 90 degrees. Draw EF perpendicular to AD and DG perpendicular to A. Okay, and in the next point, join DC and B. Okay, in the next point, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into, if I consider AD as base, then it becomes half into AD into EF. The same way, this is also equal to half into AE into DG. This is the next step. Area of triangle BDE is equal to half into BD into EF, and in the next step, area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC is equal to half into DE into perpendicular line is EF. DG, not EF. Okay, now we have one line to write here. Areas of triangles between two parallel lines and having common side are equal. So simply, area of triangle BEC is equal to area of triangle BDE DEC. It's not BEC, it's BD. BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay, so simply let's find the ratios now. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DS, because ADE and BDE and DAC areas are equal. So let's write all the formulas. Half into DE into half into BD into AD into FE AD into FE is equal to B, half into BD into FE is equal to half into AE DG. AE into DG by half into DE into DG. EC into DG. It's not E. Wait, this is wrong. It's not DG. Half into EC into DG. So DG half of FE half of got cancelled. So the final step, AD by BD is equal to AE by S. So we got that AD by DBD is equal to AE by S. So if a line D is parallel to BC, then these two ratios are equal. So let's move to the next one, B part now. So we can see here, we can confidently say that I'll get 5 marks for sure if you follow exactly the same methods which I mentioned in A part. Let's see the B part, how to solve this. The adjoining figure CAB is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle at AD perpendicular to BC. Prove that ADB is similar to CDA. So to prove directly, so what I will say is, first prove A CAB is similar to CDA. Same way prove CAB is similar to ADB. If you are able to prove these two, then I can say this one and this one are similar. Okay, so let's go in this way. CDA okay, so I'll write, consider triangle CDA and triangle ADB. ADB is already there, so I'll write the other one which is CDA. Same way, consider triangle CAB and triangle ADB. So if we consider triangle CAB, then we have an angle which is 90 degrees. CAB is equal to, same way for CDA triangle, if you consider CDA is 90 degrees. Okay, and if you consider these two triangles, one angle is same, which is angle C is equal to angle C common angle. Same way for these two triangles, if you notice, angle CAB is equal to angle ADB, which is 90 degrees, and same way the other one, which is angle B is equal to angle B common angle. I have written both side by side. If you want, you can also write one after the other. Okay, so if, as we got two angles are equal, so using AS similarity, I can say both the triangles are similar. Using AS similarity, I can say triangle CAB CDA. CAB is similar to triangle CDA, whereas triangle CAB ADB. CAB is similar to triangle ADB. Okay, so let's write this as 1 and this as 2. I can write from 1 and 2 triangle CDA I can write as similar to triangle ADB. So this is 10. What about the other one? Other question they are asking. Further, if BC is 10 and CD is 2, they are asking AD. BC 10, CD 2. BC is 10, CD is 2. BC is 10, CD is 2. Okay, if you mention BC is 10, CD is 2, then I can say that BD is equal to BC minus CD. BD is equal to BC minus CD, which is 10 minus 2, which is 8. So I got the BD value, which is 8. What they are asking, AD value. So now using these two triangles, I can say CD by AD is equal to DA, and that is AD by BD. Okay, so respective ratios CD AD, AD BD. CD by AD is equal to DA by AB. So what is CD value? CD value is 2. AD value we need to find. Let's mark it as X. Again BD value got it as 8. So if you cross multiply x square, I will get as 16. Therefore AD is equal to root of 16, which is 4 centimeters. They're asking centimeters. Yes. Okay. This is also easy, but still there are cases where you might do small mistake, but still you might lose marks. So for this type of question, go with BPT and let's solve it. Okay. Let's move to the next one. So this question number 32, 33, and now 34th question. So what is 34th question? One face of a solid cube. Okay, this is now related to surface areas and volumes question. Good. So one face of solid cube is 14. So we have a cube which is having one solid as, so one side as 14. The largest possible cone is carved out. Okay, one cone has been carved out from this cube. Okay, from the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. I think similar type you already got in other set. I think in that question we have a cylinder type of question. Here it is a cube type of question. So I can say that the diameter of cone D is equal to 2r. D is equal to 2r is equal to, which is nothing but 14. Therefore radius of cone is equal to 7 centimeters. And height of cone is equal to 14 centimeters. So if you ask about slant height is something like this. We have here, this is 7, this is 14. So this will be root of slant height, that is L, is equal to 14 square plus 7 square. 14 square is 156, 196. Let us cross check. 4 4 is 16, 1, 4 1 is 4 5, 14. Yes, correct. 196 plus 49, which is 9 plus 6, 14, 14 to 45. So I can write it as 49 into 5, or 7 root 5 centimeters. Okay, we got all the values. And for cone cube, it is simple. Each side is L, which is 14 centimeters. Okay, let's find what they are asking now. They are asking volume of the volume and surface area of remaining solid. Let's find volume first. Volume of remaining solid. To find volume of remaining solid, we have to simply volume of cone minus, volume of cube minus volume of cone. So what is the volume of cube? L cube minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is 14 cube minus 1 by 3 into, they mentioned pi value to use anything, pi 22 by 7. Okay, let's use the same. 22 by 7 into r is 14 or 7. R is 7. 7 into 7 into h is 14. So let's solve this. 7 7 cancelled out. Anything else to cancel? No. Okay, so here the only the part is calculation is bit lengthy. Okay, so 14 into 14 is to 196. We already did it. So now 196 into 14 I will do. 6 4 24, 2 4 9 36, 38, 4 1 4 5 6 7, 6 9 1 4, 8 plus 6 14, 1 17, 2 7 4 4. It is 2 7 4 4 minus 7 into 14 into 7 into 22. Okay, let's do this part. So what is 14 into 7? 7 4 is 28, 2 7 1 is 7, 98. 98 into 22. 2 9 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 1 2 8 9 is 18. Again 196, so it is 6 59 10 11 2 1 5 6. we got it as 2156 by 3. So divided by 3, 3 7 are 21, 3 1 are 3, 26, 3 8 are 24, 30, 6 6. It will be 2744 minus 718.66. 2744 minus 718.66. So I will write directly 2744 718, because 0.33 I can directly add it, so it becomes, so this I will change it to 13 now. So 13 and 5, 3 minus 1 2, 0 2, 2025.33. Zero two 5.33, because it will 666 and so on, so I will write it as 33. So this is the volume of remaining part. Let's see the surface area of remaining part. Surface area remaining part is, we have to first write total surface area of cube plus CSA of cone minus, so I can say base area of cube. Why? Because we have a cube, this part is empty, there is nothing here, only curved surface area of cone is there and the remaining total surface of cone is there. So from total surface of cube I am separating the one surface area, the top part, and the remaining, here also we have a surface area which is of cone. So TSA of cube formula is 6L square minus, plus CSF cone is pi RL minus base of cube which is nothing but, so this part is it's not base of cube, it is base of cone, I can see. So up to the base of cone, it's not like the complete circle will be removed. Okay, the only the cone part base will be removed. So base of cone base is nothing but pi r square. Okay, so only because the rest there will be, if this is a cube, then this is a circle, then you can see that this part is also there. So if you subtract that directly from cube itself, then this part also will be cut out. So I will only want to subtract the pi r square, that is a side base area of cone. So let's substitute the values. 6 into 14 square plus pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, L we got how much? 7 root 5. Okay, I'll write the value here itself. 7 into 2.2, so 2 is 14 1, so 2 is 14, 15.4 centimeters into 15.4 minus pi is again 22 by 7 and r value is 7 into 7. Okay, 7 square gets cancelled out, 7 gets cancelled out. Okay, so this step is important. This also carries at least part of a weightage. Okay, let's solve this. 14 square is 196, 196 into 6, 6 into 196 plus 22 into 15.4 minus 22 into 7. So this 6 6 36 3, 6 9 is 54, 57, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus, if I see here 22 is common, so I'll simply reduce my calculation. 15.4 minus 7 becomes 8.4. So 8.4 into 22, 2 8 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, again 168, 8 14, 8 1848 point 1176 plus 184.8. So this becomes 0.8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 8, now it becomes 16. 3 136.0 is the remaining surface volume. Okay, so here there can be cases where you can go mistakes with respect to calculation, but if this type of scenario exists in examination, just keep it like this itself, don't touch it, keep at least half page as empty and go for the other question, and if you have a time at the later, then come back and check your calculation. Okay, because even a small wastage of your time here can affect your other questions. Okay, let's see the last question, which is fourth one. So this is a statistics question, which is mean median type of question. Let's see what is the question. Following the distribution, so the marks of 230 students in particular subject. If the median marks, they have given you the median marks, they're asking to find the x and y. So simply for this question, we need to find the median. So for median, one of the important thing is cumulative frequency. I'm writing here itself. 12 plus 30 is 42. 42 plus x, 42 plus 65. 107 plus x, 107 plus x plus y, one not 7 plus 25 is 132. 132 plus x plus y. The last is 150 plus x plus y. As I mentioned, it is 230. So 150 plus x plus y is equal to 230. So x plus y, I got the value as 80. Keep it as 1. So what they have mentioned, median is 46. So this is the median class. So let's write all the required values for median. So median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF of preceding class by F of median class into H. So L value of median class is 40, n by 2, n value they mentioned 230, so n by 2 is equal to 115. CF value, that is of previous value, which is 42 plus x. F value is 65 and H value is class interval, which is 10. Let's substitute each and everything. Median they have mentioned 46. So 46 is equal to L value 40 plus 115 minus F value, sorry, CF value 42 plus x by F value 65 into H value is 10. So 46 minus 40 is 6 is equal to 115 minus 42 minus x by 65 into 10. So 65 into 6, 65 into 6 by 10 is equal to, it is 3, 11 minus 4 is 8, 83 minus 6. So let's divide by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 13s, 5 2 is 10, 2 1s, 2 3s. So it is 13 3s, 13 3s 39 is equal to 83 minus x. So I can say x value is 83 minus 39, which is 4. 7 minus 4 is 44. So x value is 44, correct. X value is 44. If x value is 44, what is y value? Because x plus y is 80. So I'll write in the next slide. X plus y is equal to 80. X is 44. So 44 plus y is equal to 80. So y value is 36. So the final statement, x is equal to 44 and y is equal to 36. Just a minute. Okay, so here is some calculation mistake. It is 11 minus 4 is not 8. 11 minus 4 is 7. So it's 73 minus 39, which is 34 here. X is 34. So if x is 34, y value is 46. Okay, so that's fine. No overall calculation. If you had out, just do it here itself. 115 minus 42. 3, 11 minus 4 is 7, not 8. Okay, so in this way all the questions of section D are solved. So in the next video I'll solve the questions of section E, which are the case study questions. Okay, with respect to difficulty level till here, I can say the paper is moderate, because there are tough questions, I agree, but it is an optional part only. A or B kind of questions, there all I can feel it is bit lengthy, but with respect to complete, either you have to think properly that which have to choose, either A and B based upon the question. Then definitely if you think properly and choose it, I am sure that you can have solved within easily at least 30 minutes before the final time. Okay, so in the next video we'll solve the section E, that is case study questions. If you have any doubt with respect to these questions which are solved not only in section D, in section A, B or C, which I will keep in the description, if you have doubts there, you can also mention in the comment section. I'll definitely see and answer to you respectively. And if you like this video, please do like and do share with your friends, and also please subscribe and enable notification for the next videos. Thank you.